مرحبا. أنا اسمي كريستي. أم أنا من بريطانيا بس أنا ساكنة في اسكتلندا. I've been learning Arabic for 2 years with Duha. And when I first started, I had a really basic level of understanding. I could speak a few words and I couldn't read or write. But now, after 2 years, I can read and write Arabic and I can have conversations. And yeah, I've made a lot of progress with my Arabic, and I really love my lessons. They're really fun, and uh, Duha has a lot of patience. And yeah, I'm really pleased that I've been learning Arabic with Duha, and I would really, really recommend her classes.